Ito si Rojas. It's not because you are a namesake of Rojas na mahusay ka. Itong tao na ito, walang loyalty ito. Panahon ni Arroyo, nandyan siya. Panahon ni Aquino, nandoon siya. Wala ito. Pag ganun-ganon, pretends to be some tao na walang prinsipyo, wala talaga. You are nothing to me. I can even shoot you for free. Kasi you know, Marujas, I kill people for money. But since you are nothing, I will shoot you for free.